Today I'm going to give you a few tips for a smooth blow dry. The first step is to carefully and fully detangle the hair, concentrating especially on the ends where the hair tends to tangle the most. I like to section the hair using either braids or bantu knots. The sectioning allows for more control during the blow dry process. It also stretches the hair so it's not shrinking as it's drying. It also allows for you to focus blow drying one section at a time and making sure that that section is totally dry before moving on to the next section. Now, when you're blow drying, I like to use the truck and trailer technique. The blow dry follows the brush, but it's not touching the brush and it's not touching the hair. If you notice, I'm blow drying the hair down as opposed to up, as opposed to outward, because we want to keep that cuticle as smooth as possible. And the goal when you're blow drying is to get that hair as straight as possible so that when you go into flat iron the hair, you're not using a lot of heat because the blow dry did most of the work. And as you can see, it's looking very smooth. And here are the end results.